Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I wanted to show you what I use to clean my smart devices. With all that stuff going around right now, you want to keep your smartphones and everything clean. This is not a sponsored video in any way. I've actually never been sponsored or provided any review material from Whoosh. This is something that I saw on their YouTube channel back when they had a thing at CES. And I picked a little bottle of it up and I've been using it ever since. Now you can see I have this big giant spray bottle of it because I literally use it on my TV, my phone, phones, pretty much anything, computer monitors, even my laptop and keyboard from time to time. It is really good at wiping off smudges, fingerprints, all that kind of stuff. It also helps resist fingerprints. It's supposed to clean 99.9% of the stuff on your phone. It's safe for all screens, and it is alcohol and ammonia free. So it is alcohol free, so it may not kill all those viruses out there, but it does do a really good job at cleaning your phone. I would still recommend using something like a disinfecting wipe or something with some alcohol in it just to get those harder viruses and more resistant viruses off of it. But for day-to-day cleaning and just keeping your phone dirt and smudge free, this is definitely something I recommend. This bottle came with this big giant cloth as well as a smaller one that I have in the other room. Right now on Amazon, this is actually pretty much completely unavailable, at least for like next day delivery or 2-day delivery, but they do have some more stock coming very soon. So this bottle right here with the cloth is $18.99. They do have some smaller bottles with like travel sizes and stuff like that. You can get some different cloths, a little bottle for $9.99, bigger bottle with some cloths for $21. You can get a travel bottle and a medium-sized bottle for $15.99. This is probably your best value if you were looking at taking it with you and stuff like that. Comes with, I think it's 3 cloths, it looks like, yeah, 3 cloths. So, bunch of different uses for the Whoosh stuff. I will link this down in the description down below so you can pick some of it up. Like I said, I still do recommend cleaning your phone with a disinfectant wipe just to kill any harder, more resistant viruses. But this is supposed to work on 99% of the stuff. And they have done tests on their YouTube channel with like germs and stuff on your smartphone screen before and after using this, and it does clean very well. I do trust it to clean my device, and it's what I use to clean my device pretty much every day. Like I said, it really does cut through the fingerprints and smudges on your device and also helps resist them. So if you use this continuously, it will help keep your device nice and smudge free. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.